Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to lock the screen while watching the YouTube videos, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So if you want to do that, just make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply close your YouTube and come to your mobile phone settings, and then here scroll a little bit until you find the option of security. Just go to that option and scroll to the down and tap on app pinnings, and just simply toggle on that option and click on OK. So once you toggle on that option, come back to the YouTube and open it and swipe up a little bit, and here you can see the little lock icon on the top right. Just simply tap on that icon and tap on pin. So once you pin your YouTube, so just simply tap on got it, and you can see that screen has been locked. We cannot go to home whatever we want, or if you want to just unpin or you unlock your screen, just simply swipe up 2 times together like in this way, and just unlock your mobile phone, and like in this way you have unlocked that screen. Now you can simply go to the home. So that's how you can easily lock your YouTube screen while watching the YouTube videos. So I hope it helps you guys.